In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Pipedrive email sync. By the end, your inbox will be connected to Pipedrive so your conversations automatically appear alongside your deals and contacts, and you can reply without leaving your CRM. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Use the same login you normally use for your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. It also helps to confirm that your plan includes email sync and that you have permission to connect an email account. Next, open your profile menu in the top right corner and choose Personal Preferences. This takes you to your user-level settings. From here, look for the Email Sync section on the left side. That's the area where you manage connected inboxes, compose settings, and sync behavior. Click Email Sync, then select the option to add an email account. Pipedrive supports major providers like Google and Microsoft, as well as IMAP/SMTP. If you see a button like Add Account or Connect Inbox, that's the one you want. This starts a secure connection flow so Pipedrive can keep your messages up to date. Enter the email address you want to sync with Pipedrive. For best results, use the address you actively use with customers and prospects, since those conversations will be matched to contacts and deals automatically. Avoid connecting a personal or shared mailbox unless your organization specifically wants it synced. Click Next to proceed. Pipedrive will redirect you to your email provider's sign-in and authorization screen. Here you'll be asked to grant permissions so Pipedrive can read and send messages on your behalf and keep folders in sync. When prompted, select all required permissions and continue. Granting the full set ensures reliable two-way sync, so emails you send or receive show up consistently in both places. After you confirm, complete the process in your email provider's window. If your account uses two-factor authentication, follow those prompts. For advanced setups like IMAP, have your server details ready. If you're on a corporate account, your admin may need to approve the connection, so watch for any approval messages. Once authorized, Pipedrive will begin the initial sync in the background. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this can take a little while. You'll start seeing messages populate in the mail section, and related emails will automatically link to matching contacts and open deals. If anything looks off, refresh the page, check that pop-ups aren't blocked, and make sure you signed in to the correct email account. That's it. You've successfully set up Pipedrive Email Sync. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.